Hey traders, did you know that most beginners lose money because they trade against the trend? That ends today. In this video, I'll show you how to spot a strong trend and ride into consistent wins, especially if you trade binary options. So, grab your coffee and let's see the skill which separate pros from gamblers. Let's start with the basics. A trend is simply the direction the price is moving over time. There are only three types of market conditions. Uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend, lower high and lower lows. Sideways or flat, price bouncing in a range. So, here's the rule. Only trade when the market is trending. Avoid sideways noise, it will eat your account alive. You don't need 10 indicators. The easiest way to spot a trend is to zoom out a little and look at the last 20-30 candles. If the price is making new highs and pulling back slightly, that's an uptrend. If it keeps failing and can't recover, that's downtrend. You can also draw a trend line by connecting two or more swing highs or lows. If it holds, the trend is alive. Quick tip: use a 1-minute time frame for analysis and 30 seconds or 1-minute expiry for entries. Let's keep it simple. At the EMA 20, that's the exponential moving average. Why? Because when the price is above the EMA and moving up, you're in an uptrend. When the price is below the EMA and sliding, it's a downtrend. It's that simple. You don't need 5 indicators flashing signals, just price plus EMA plus your brain. And here's how I trade trends on pocket option. Find the trending pair, check which chart show clean direction. Wait for a pullback to the EMA 20 or to a trend line. In my situation, it's trend corridor, if you can see this green one. Look for confirmation, a rejection candle. After this, just enter trade in the trend direction, short, expiry like me, 30 seconds or 1 minute, it's perfect. And bonus tip: don't enter at the top or bottom of move. Wait for that little pullback, that's where the pros enter. You're still not sure if the chart is trending or not. Here's the secret trick, guys. Just take a screenshot or make a photo of your chart, any time frame, and ask ChatGPT. You will get AI opinion on the trend direction. You will have solutions about do you need to trade it or just skip it, and sometimes even a suggested entry zones. Miracle. Enjoy. So now you know, the trend is your best friend for sure. Avoid messy sideways charts. Follow the clean moves. And always remember, when in doubt, zoom out and the trend will tell you what's happening on this pair. If this video helped, hit the like, subscribe, follow my Telegram channel and leave the comments. Do you want me to show you the all live session with method to trade like this? I will do this for you.